Yeah. Now, just go home. See this foil duct tape? This is like for ducks, like like dryer vents, vents for the furnace, like that create heat because this is for heat, hot and cold. So I'm gonna go outside and put this on the dryer vent because one of the flaps is busted. Remember that? So I have the dryer on right now, so yeah. It's cold. See all that? See that? It just came out of the dryer. Put that on the floor. See that? So, I gotta put my phone somewhere or it's not gonna fucking fall. Over there and then peel this off. Right? Probably about right here. Right there. I'll keep that in my pocket. Rip this off. Put this there. Then I'm gonna be careful. Oh, fuck my phone. Alright. Hang on a second. Let me take this flap off. I'm gonna put it in this on for now. I'm gonna be careful of this. Grab the vent. I gotta do this perfectly so when it shuts off, crap. Fuck. Oh man. Fucker. Problem with this. Now I'm just gonna rip it a little bit more. That there. No! Fucker. Alright, this is gonna have to be loosely on here a little, but at least these are, because this flap here broken is pulling in a lot of cold air, so. And also, when you're running the dryer, put all of your exhaust fans on. That one over there, and then the kitchen one over there. So now, I'm gonna put this cover back on like so. Just grab the duct tape. Like that. Grab the duct tape. So now I'm gonna shut off the dryer. I'm just gonna open the dryer door to see if it's done, if it does it, because that's heat coming out right now. So autofocus is back on. There we go. Now I'm gonna go back outside and check if the vent closed properly, and if it did, then it's a success. Nope, it's a fail. There we go. It's gonna be a little bit, wait a second. I'm gonna scrunch this up a little bit, you know. And I think we're good. Just like that. Just like that. And then all you have to do is put this like that, and it's a fucking fail again. Fucker! What the fuck was that? It's good now. That's perfect. Good. Yes. All right. Got that done. Now that is a problem there. Oh, so that's what fell. Yikes. There we go. That's all frozen. It's all frozen in there. Oh, look at that. Ah, fuck, I just cut myself on that son of a bitch. Right there. Fuck, that's a deep cut, actually. Piss off. Grab this. Yeah, that's a deep cut. Ouch. Fuck. Anyways, that's it for now. Bye-bye.